Hey guys, every year marks another worst year ever for cyber attacks around the world. The online world offers businesses the potential for reaching a broader customer base, use international suppliers, and sometimes even save on admin or supply cost. However, the world of online business can bring the potential for scams and security risk. A single successful attack could seriously damage your business and cause financial burden for you and your customers, as well as affect your business reputation. There are tools and processes you can put in place to safeguard your processes from cyber threats. First one is backup data. Backing up your business data and website may help you recover what you have lost in the event of an attack. It's essential that you regularly back up your important data and information, from financial records and business plans to customer records and personal information. It's a good idea to use multiple backup methods to help ensure the safety of your important files. Second one that we are discussing is secure your computer and device. Small pieces of software known as malware or viruses can infect your computers, laptops, and mobile devices. Install security software on your business computers and device to help prevent infection and secure it. Set up your fire security to protect your internal networks. Remember to install the firewall on your portable business device and keep them updated and patched to prevent threats entering your network. Third one, monitor and protect the use of computer equipment and services. Maintain a record all the computer equipment and software used by your business. Keep items secure to prevent forbidden access and remain employees to be mindful of where and how they keep their devices. Educate employees on using a USB stick or portable hard drive. An unknown cyber threats can accidentally transfer from portable device from home directly into your business system. Remove all software or equipment that you no longer need and ensure that no sensitive information is on them when thrown out. Protect information. Make sure you encrypt your data and when stored or sent online so only approved users can access it. Encryption converts your data in security threat before you send it over the internet. This reduces the risk of resource theft, destruction, or tampering. Make sure you turn your computer encryption on. Manage administrative passwords. Change all default passwords and look at disabling administrative access entirely to avoid an attacker from gaining access to your computer or network. Make sure you change your password to something new that can be easily guessed. Attackers have the potential to gain full access to your system from an administrator level account. To reduce the risk of your computer becoming infected, create a standard user account with a strong password you can use on a daily basis. Choose strong passwords. By creating strong password, you are improving your digital security. Use password to protect access to your device that hold important business information. Having a password such as 123456 or worse still password is leaving yourself open to being hacked. Frequently change your password even few months. If you use the same password for everything, once someone has your password, all your accounts are potentially under attack. Consider using a password manager that securely stores and creates password for you. Educate your staff to be safe. It is important to train your staff on the threats that they can face online and the major role they play in keeping your business safe. Your staff need to aware all the computer rights and responsibilities as their networks access usage. Be specific about the types of online practices that are acceptable when using working computers, devices, and emails. For more such help, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks.